In this video, we'll take a look at some designers and how their work still impacts us to this very day. Know that all of these mediums are a little bit different. Whether it be architecture, print, or film, simply pay attention to the solutions they've designed and created. First up, we have Charles and Ray Eames. Charles and Ray Eames' main focus was architecture and furniture. They also ventured into industrial design and graphic design, fine arts, and film as well. They were American designers in the early 1900s. Charles and Ray Eames are so noteworthy in the design industry because they were so impactful in modern America through so many mediums. They were a team of husband and wife. They worked vigorously side by side throughout their careers to find the best possible solutions for any given task. Here are a couple of their masterpieces. The Yves House is a case study house designed by both Charles and Ray. They wanted to design a house that fit within its environment and had the functional use of an office and home. The house is constructed of glass and steel. This home and workspace is the epitome of the definition of design. It was strategically designed to solve the task at hand, create a home and office in one. This is the first time an architectural design like this has ever been completed with such effectiveness. The structure still stands to this day. Their next project I'd like to talk about is the Powers of 10. The Eames couple pioneered the zoom effect we still see today in movies. If you have ever seen a space view zooming into Earth, like Google Maps, it was probably because of the film Powers of 10. The film was commissioned by IBM in 1977. The idea was to explain how large the universe is, then zooming in by using the powers of 10 until we end up on a single proton. A very effective representation of size from the universe all the way down to molecular structures. The next Eames project, which they're most known for, is the Eames lounge chair. Charles and Ray designed many collections of furniture for Herman Miller. They pioneered the process of chair making with their early work using the molded plywood process, as you can see here, in the Eames lounger and ottoman. They also experimented and perfected the process of fiberglass and resin molded chairs. Charles Eames said it best: "Design is a plan for arranging elements in such a way as best to accomplish a specific purpose." Our next designer is Herb Lubalin. Herb Lubalin is an American graphic designer. He was born in 1918. Herb collaborated on 3 Ginsberg magazines, The Euros, Fact, and Avant-Garde. He was responsible for the beauty and aesthetics of these publications. Most notably, Herb is responsible for an Art Deco typeface called Avant-Garde. The work that Herb did is best described as meaning through type. He emphasizes the message through beautiful type lockups and layouts. Herb did not think of himself as a typographer, but more of a message designer by using characters, or the master of typographics. He changed our perception on typography through his exploration of typographics. He gave type life and meaning. He personified every phrase with a human emotion. He created successful solutions and gave copy purpose. Next up, one of my favorites, Paul Rand. Paul Rand is an American graphic designer, born in 1914. Paul Rand is best known for his corporate design work. He has created brand identities for major corporations such as Apple, IBM, Enron, ABC, and UPS, to just name a few. Rand began designing page layouts in the 1950s. And in the 1960s, he single-handedly convinced corporate America that great design is a valuable and must-have tool. He is the one that substituted project pricing rather than hourly pricing. He coined the word jewel, which we better know today as mark. This is the iconic standalone symbol which encompasses a brand. Rand's design theories were very simple and straight to the point. Here's a couple quotes from Paul Rand. Don't try to be original, just try to be good. Design is the method of putting form and content together. Design, just as art, has multiple definitions. There is no single definition. Design can be art, design can be aesthetics. Design is so simple, that's why it's so complicated. Simplicity is not the goal. It's the byproduct of a good idea and modest expectations.